All right, we just stopped to grab us something to eat. We're freaking hungry. There's a restaurant right here. Here's the bikes. And I ran into Fee. He's still getting a little bit of issues with his bike. This is where we're gonna eat, but we're looking for possibly a place where we can charge our bikes. I'm at 29% on one of my batteries and I'm full on the other. And he's, I think, 40%. We still have 40 miles to go. So let's find something to eat. Let's see if we can charge these bikes for a little bit.